How to fix phone vibrating without notification. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix phone vibrating without a notification. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. To fix your phone vibrating without notification, first restart it. Press on the volume up and the power button together. You'll find the restart button and then restart it. After you've restarted your phone, you'll then need to check for repeat notifications. So for that, go to your settings, and on your settings you'll need to go to notifications. So it's sometimes notifications or sometimes sound. So first let's check sound. I'm a notification, and on notification you'll need to go to advanced. So after you find the repeat notification option, which is not available for all the Androids, simply toggle it off. You can turn off repeat notification alert, and for emergency alerts, check for emergency alerts here. If you find it, you will then need to disable that as well. And for your NFC, you might have cards or key flops of near your phone, so disable your settings. For that, go to connected devices. If you see your NFC here, simply disable NFC. And you can also turn off your keyboard haptics and vibration feedback. And yeah, those are the fixes, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.